Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to share your Snapchat profile. Sharing your profile makes it simple for your friends to find and connect with you on Snapchat. So, let's get started on how to share your Snapchat profile. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. At the bottom of your screen, you will see various options for where you can share your Snapchat profile. For this guide, we will use the WhatsApp app, so tap on it. In WhatsApp, search for the contact you want to share your Snapchat profile with. Once you have found them, tap on their name. After selecting the contact, tap the next button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the send button at the top right corner to share your Snapchat profile. And this is how you can share your Snapchat profile.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.